Hi, this weekend visit your local Bob's Market for our annual Mother's Day sale. Normally our 10-inch flowering hanging baskets and bedding flats are $20.99 each, but this weekend we will have them 2 for $37. And the cool thing is you can mix and match, so you could do a hanging basket and a flat, or you can create a mixed flat with 4-packs. So in this one, I have a mixture of flowers and vegetables. We also have 10-inch decorator pots like this Cuphea Vermillionaire. This guy really attracts hummingbirds. We also have larger 14-inch combination planters that are already full blooming and ready to go. We also have a wide selection of knockout roses, trees, and other shrubbery. And we also have a wide selection of Florida tropicals like hibiscus, duranta, mandevilla, gardenias, palms, and more. So come on out and join us this weekend for our Mother's Day sale. You can also sign up online at bobsmarket.com to win some prizes. And also on Saturday, we're going to be doing drawings in the stores.